Good day everyone, welcome to RD Cycles, and today we're going to talk about the lead bike electronic bicycle horn. Out of the box, you have your charging cable, you have the unit itself, the electronic horn, and the wired remote control. So yung remote has 3 levels. This unit has 3 levels of volume starting at 80 decibels, and yung mid-range nasa 100 decibels, and then yung loudest nasa 130 decibels. So ano ba yung mga sounds na same level as 80 decibels? Normal speaking voice is 80 decibels, and 60 decibels ang normal speaking voice, and then at 80 decibels yun yung sound ng motorcycle na nag-idle, yung dig 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 yon. At 80 decibels yon yung naririnig mo, motorcycle ng motor na idling. And then at 130 decibels, which is the loudest, it has the same sound or effectivity as a ambulance siren. So pakinggan natin ngayon yung 3 levels ng lead bike electronic bicycle horn. So yung volume niya pala, you can't select directly or skip to a certain volume. Kailangan mag-cycle ka sa level 1, 2, 3. So ito yung level 1. Ito yung 80 decibels. And then level 2, 100 decibels. And then level 3, 130 decibels. And then balik tayo sa level 1. So, very handy siya. Hindi na kayo sisigaw ng bike or bike left, bike right. Kabit nyo lang to. Very effective. I've tried it sa open roads. Even yung mga motorcycle riders na naka-closed face or full face helmet, naririnig nila, they look to their sides or lumilingon sila sa likod kung saan nagagaling yung sound. And all-weather, USB rechargeable siya. Nandito sa likod yung charging port niya. 1 hour and a half from 0 to full charge every time you use it. Tapos, of course, it depends how often you use it kung kailan yun maubos and makukonsume yung full charge niya. Tapos, ano pa ba? Silicone horn. Silicone buckle para ma-lock in place yung bicycle horn. And it's available at 3 colors: black, blue, and red. So, yun ang lead bike electronic bicycle horn. Priced at 500 pesos each. Waterproof, very safe, very practical use. Even for your kids bikes, I suggest kumuha kayo para laging safe yung kids nyo, even if they're just biking inside the village. You never know kung kailan may tatawid na tao o biglang may coaching mag-appear out of the intersection, out of the corner. So, better safe. For your kids bikes, maglagay kayo ng lead bike electronic bicycle horn. 500 pesos only. Check it out today at RD Cycles.